You ever wonder if the machines we rely on every single day could, just tell us they were about to break? Well, it turns out they can. Today, we're going to dive into the really revolutionary world of predictive maintenance, where our most critical equipment has, believe it or not, finally learned to talk.
I mean, we've all been there, right? Your car decides to die on the way to a huge meeting, or the AC gives up the ghost on the absolute hottest day of the year. It almost feels like they're designed to fail at the most inconvenient time imaginable.
Okay, so now just imagine that same problem, but on an industrial scale. A key robot on an assembly line just stops during peak production. A giant wind turbine generator seizes up in the middle of a storm. This isn't just an inconvenience anymore. It's a catastrophic, incredibly expensive, and often dangerous event. It's basically a full-blown industrial heart attack.
For decades, we really only had two ways to deal with this problem. And to be honest, neither of them were all that great. You were constantly stuck choosing between being way too late or way too early. So on one hand, you've got the reactive approach. This is basically the emergency room. You wait for the machine to have that heart attack, and then you rush in to perform emergency surgery. The results? Total chaos. Massive downtime, crazy, unpredictable costs. The other option is the preventative approach. Think of this like a mandatory annual checkup. You replace parts on a fixed schedule, whether they need it or not. Sure, this avoids some disasters, but it leads to an incredible amount of waste. You're throwing away perfectly good parts and spending hours fixing things that aren't even broken.
And this quote really hits the nail on the head. Industry was completely stuck between two terrible options. You either wait for a catastrophe or you just throw money away guessing. There had to be a smarter way to do this.
And thankfully, there is. This is where the hero of our story comes in. Instead of just waiting around or guessing, what if you could actually predict the exact moment of failure with incredible accuracy?
And that's the whole idea behind predictive maintenance. It's not about reacting or just taking a shot in the dark. It's about listening to the data, analyzing it, and then acting with precision. It uses data to spot the very earliest warning signs of trouble, so you can step in at the perfect moment, right before anything actually goes wrong.
So what we're really doing is moving away from the emergency room and that old-school scheduled checkup. It's like we're giving our most important machines a really sophisticated smartwatch, a 24/7 health monitor that's tracking their vital signs in real time.
So how does all this magic actually work? Well, it's not magic at all, really. It's a super powerful combination of advanced sensors and really intelligent data analysis. Let's open up the toolkit and see what's inside.
Okay, first things first, you have to listen to the machine. Just like a doctor uses a stethoscope, engineers use all sorts of sensors to pick up on these tiny clues. Vibration and acoustic analysis can literally hear a bearing starting to wear down. Thermal imaging can see a part overheating long before it becomes a problem. Oil analysis can spot microscopic metal particles that signal damage deep inside. And a whole network of IoT, that's Internet of Things, sensors can stream all this data all the time. These are the symptoms.
Right, so once all that data starts flowing in, the analysis begins. And what's really cool is how it all boils down to this pretty simple flow. Step 1, the system flags an anomaly, a tiny vibration, a slight temperature change, anything that's different from normal. Step 2, it calculates the remaining useful life, or RUL, which answers that all-important question, how much time do we have left? And finally, step 3, it packages all this complex info into a simple equipment health score. Think of it like a letter grade for your machine's health. A, B, C, you get the picture.
And the tools get even more sophisticated from there. We can do a deep root cause analysis to figure out why a part is failing, not just that it is failing. Is it a lubrication issue? Is it overheating? This helps you stop the problem from ever happening again. And with amazing technologies like a digital twin, which is a perfect virtual copy of a machine, we can run simulations and test failure scenarios without any real-world risk. This is like going from your family doctor to a full team of world-class specialists. I mean, look, knowing a machine is going to fail in exactly 37 days is fascinating stuff, but it's also completely useless if you don't have a plan to do something about it. And this is where predictive maintenance stops being just a cool technology and becomes a true game-changing business strategy.
So what is the actual real-world payoff? Let's take a look at the results. We are talking about making operations fundamentally smarter, safer, and a whole lot cheaper.
How much cheaper, you ask? Well, some studies show that companies that really implement a predictive maintenance strategy can slash their overall maintenance costs by up to 40%. 40%. That is a massive number that will get the attention of any CFO. Guaranteed.
The difference is really night and day. You go from this state of chaos, constant downtime, unpredictable costs, tons of wasted parts, to a state of complete control. Unplanned downtime becomes a rarity, costs are actually forecasted and lower, your inventory is optimized, and your very expensive assets, they actually last longer. It's a complete shift in thinking. You're no longer playing defense, you're on offense.
And that value, it comes from all over the place. Yeah, the biggest piece of the pie is cutting down on that catastrophic, unplanned downtime. But it also comes from smaller repair bills, much improved safety for your workers, smarter inventory management, and just getting more life out of every single machine. It's this ripple effect that touches every single part of the business.
Ultimately, this lets companies make a truly monumental shift. They stop looking at their equipment as just a liability that breaks down, and they start seeing it as a data-generating asset that can be managed and optimized. It's about moving from just fixing things to truly optimizing the entire operation for peak performance.
And believe me, this is evolving even further. The next big frontier is something called prescriptive maintenance. This is where the system doesn't just tell you a part is going to fail. It tells you exactly what part to order, which technician is the best fit for the job, and the precise steps they need to take to fix it. So it's not just a diagnosis anymore, it's a complete treatment plan.
So we've gone from our machines being these silent black boxes to being active partners that can tell us exactly how they're feeling. And it really makes you wonder, now that our machines can talk, what other incredible conversations are we about to have with the technology that runs our entire world?